for Dragon Lasers. It's a Viper, 95 milliwatts power. Here's the wood case that it comes in, and here it is, the 95 milliwatt Viper. First of all, there's the good little laser, one of the best in the world. Shine it on the wall, you can see the beam. If you can look really close, you may be able to see the beam in daylight on this camera, although you can see it very well in person. I'm going to switch off the lights and see if you can see it a little better. Okay. I don't know how well this is going to show up, but you can see it a little better. A little to the side over there. Alright. One of the first things I'll demonstrate is burning a plastic garbage bag. Hold it up to it, and you may notice some smoke. Try it again down here. You can certainly smell the garbage bag burning. The smell of plastic. And as you can see, right there, your garbage bag is burnt. Oh, I've done this before there and there. Another thing that this laser can do is light matches. And I've done this before, but since the batteries are low in my laser right now, I may not be able to. Let's see. Nope, not right now, but you certainly can. Next, I'm going to shine the laser through a film negative, and it makes a pretty cool light show because it starts to melt the negative, and it makes the plastic appears in the wall as green. So, enjoy.